Hi, welcome to another episode of Full Throttle Quad, Gary Lee. And I'm staring at a camera and I'm talking really concise and clear and keeping the momentum of the conversation going. I better hurry up and turn the camera around before I forget what I'm about to say. Here we go. Hang on. My headset, or the case for the camera that had got lost, so I'm looking for it. The bed ate it. But here we are discussing the health of a urinary tract. What I do, and this is where I got some ideas from, is you guys posts on Facebook on spinal cord injury sites. And one individual had stated that he knocked out an infection by just downing a bunch of vinegar and cranberry juice cocktails, and then I took it further, and I also saw a picture about how to get rid of kidney stones, and I just modified that, but I'll post that picture, just so that way you can see what's going on, and I'll also, in the description, give you links on some of the research that I've done last night, so that way you have a better idea what I'm talking about, because truly it's way above my head. Neither am I a scientist, nor am I a doctor, so I recommend you doing your own research before and consulting with your doctor before you do this. Now, this is what I do. Okay. I think you see where I'm going with this. I take a shot of the apple cider vinegar. Here's my shot glass, and I pour it in there. And then I take concentrated lemon juice and I put it in a shot and I pour it in there. Then the rest, I use this to fill up the rest of the cup. Now, while I was doing my research last night, and it's like something about having acidic foods in your system or liquids, it makes your body alkaline. I don't know how it does it, but it does. And if you read the web pages, it'll explain it much better than I can. But basically, in a nutshell, when something goes like acidic into water, which we are like 85 or 80% water in our bodies, it has a extra hydrogen atom searching for some molecule or another atom to hook up onto. And so when we breathe air, it attaches to an oxygen molecule, and so that like promotes cell growth, and then also with that extra hydrogen floating around, it turns our pH into alkaline on the scale. And then for some reason, every time I do a urinalysis, I want to find out what my pH is, because the old doctor that I had that put the suprapubic in said try to get your pH acidic. Don't keep it at 7 because germs like to grow at 7. So with conjunction with this idea and those juice bottles there, I try to keep, a lot of vitamin C in me and a lot of acidic juices, like for example pineapple and coconut, and then strawberry and peach, and then of course cranberry juice. So that's about it in a nutshell on how I keep my urine clear and floaty free. You know what I'm talking about with them little things that float, around. It looks like bacteria or whatever. But I haven't had any problems with, any urinary tract infections or nothing. Okay, this is, before I ramble on, this is Full Throttle Quad, Gary Lee signing off, and I thank you for watching.